is Harsh, you're listening in the Harsh Music Factory. This is the dream moment out for me, and I always want to be a teacher because this is one of the purest emotion for me, and I also want to dedicate this one to all my teachers who have been my strength, and I can't express in words how beautiful feeling this is. This is the 10th class, you know, and although the places are changed, but the emotion is still the same, you know, and my batch five. You all guys are so amazing and my inspiration. Thanks for always being there, and you make me smile, inspire, and a lot more things to come. And we just have to start in this journey. But each and every moment we are going to live for our country. And like I said, stop now begins. Oh, so beautiful. This is the dream in the making.
I am studying in 4th B.
Okay.
My school's name is Sacred Heart Convent High School.
Okay. What message would you like to give to the students?
The students are so much good of the school.
Okay. Are you enjoying the school?
Yes.
Okay. What thing do you love about the school the most?
The studying is good,
Okay.
and the teachers are also so good.
Cool.
So, hello everyone. I am the student from Sacred Heart Convent High School near the Ashoka Marg. I am the head boy of the school, and I would just like to say that our school is one of the best schools in Nashik, and we do really love to study here. All the teachers are really great. The students also are almost all of the students from my grade are my classmates, and I love really studying and enjoying, and also having fun with them.
Okay.
So that's all.
Wow. Okay. Any message you would like to give to the students?
Any message? Just the longer as you just grow up, you realize that how hard your life is. So if you are still young, so enjoy your life to the fullest, because as you grow up, now currently I'm in 9th standard and I realize that I don't get much time. So if you are young, live your life at the fullest.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Alright. Hi. So this is a very beautiful place over here, especially that side. There's a window out there, and each and every heart out might be wanting to be there. Especially Ashu might be very familiar with this, watching nature, the rainfalls, amazing experiences of the life. And our teachers has put so hard efforts, introducing to the nature. We owe them everything, and they own us. Yeah. You should never forget that whatever today we are is just because of them, and their each and every contribution, each and every sacrifice so matters to us. And I hope I'll make you all proud, and we have a lot more things to come in line.
Good afternoon, everyone. Here, Mrs. Nilambari Gangurde. You must have recognized your Nilambari teacher. Very happy to have a conversation with you, and this is just because of Harshal. I am really grateful to him that he has been a bridge between many of the students and me. So, because of his vlogs, Sacred Heart School is spreading on social media also, and he has taken this initiative. Really happy for him, and God bless him and all of you.
Good afternoon, dear students. It's nice to have a conversation with you all. Many of you might not be knowing me, but yes, with Harshal I had a good time during the Silver Jubilee function of the school. He's a very good musician, and of course all of you are doing good. My best wishes and blessings are always with you, dear children. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Now, this is so beautiful creations out over here. I am just, speechless. The charts are in circular pattern, which is an entirely new thing for me because we used to make everything in square. But yeah, I am just gone. I hope this makes you smile. Creative.
हाय, मी माझा होमवर्क करते. ही माझी सायन्सची नोटबुक आहे आणि मी सायन्सची वर्कबुक सॉल्व करते.
ओके. और घर जाने की तयारी? 5 बजे. ओके. जेवण झालं का?
हो.
ओके. काय खाल्लं आज?
पराठा.
ओके. आणि आणखीन?
आणखीन काय नाही.
ओके. कुछ मैसेज?
Always study.
Always study. Wow, beautiful. So to be continued, let's see.
मी प्रथमेश महाजन. आज मी 17 वर्षानंतर सेक्रेड हार्ट कॉन्व्हेंट हायस्कूलला आलो आणि आज पण मला पहिल्यासारखंच जाणवले की खूप छान वाटलं की पहिले पण जे स्कूलचं एन्व्हायरमेंट होतं आणि आत्ताचं पण आहे दोघं सेम आहे. मी आज टेरेस सिस्टरला भेटलो, त्यांच्याशी माझे शेअर केले थॉट्स, टेसी सिस्टरशी भेटलो. आज मला खूप आनंद झाला. आज माझे जे 17 वर्ष आधी मी तसा होतो तसं मी परत त्यांच्यासमोर माझं बालपण दाखवलं. थोडं मला ओळखणारे टीचर भेटले. आता थोडं सिनियर म्हणजे बिझनेस माइंडेड असल्यामुळे थोडं स्ट्रिक्ट झालं. पण जेव्हा मी सिस्टर समोर गेलो तेव्हा मला असं वाटलं की मी अजून पण स्टुडंटच आहे. ते तिथे तसंच वागत होते माझ्याशी की हाऊ आर यू प्रथमेश, काय करतो, लग्न काय झालं, किती मुलं आहे, सगळं विचारलं. आणि आम्ही आज मेन आनंदाची गोष्ट काय झाली की सिस्टरने लगेच मला व्हिडिओ कॉल करायला सांगितला, पप्पांना, मम्मीला, म्हणे की तुझ्या मुलीला दाखव, आय वॉन्ट टू सी माय ग्रँड डॉटर. ओके, मग आम्ही लगेच व्हिडिओ कॉल पण केला. खूप आनंद झाला मला. नंतर बालू अंकल भेटले, फाउंडर मेंबर ऑफ अवर स्कूल. नंतर सुमन आंटी भेटली. खूप छान वाटलं. अजून पण स्कूलचं एन्व्हायरमेंट छान मेंटेन आहे, तेवढंच प्रेम आहे, कोणाला टीचर्स विसरलेले नाही. बाकी सर्व छान आहे. कंपाऊंड नवीन केलेले आहे, गार्डन ओपनिंग आहे, सर्व छान आहे. मला खूप आवडलं. आय एम एन्जॉईंग इट. बस, थँक्यू.